Okay, I'm going to be showing a few of the division problems from your extended learning. So just watch and pause if needed and review these problems and how to complete them. So I'm going to start on this first one here, the 4 over or divided into the 274. Okay, so remember 4 cannot go into 2. So some teachers might have taught you to put an X there, which is okay, but preferably you'd either just put a 0, or when you start getting more comfortable with the division, you can just skip this step and go 4 directly into 27. So either way would work. I'll go ahead and just start by putting the 0 because 4 cannot go into 2, so you'd put a 0. 4 times 0 gives you 0. Then you would subtract. So you would do the 2 minus 0, and that would give you 2. Now the next step would for you to be to drop down that 7. So you would then go 4 into 27. So looking at your times tables with the number 4, I know the closest one is 4 times 6 because 4 times 7 is too much. That gives you 28. 4 times 6 is 24. So I'd put the 24 down here. And then once again, I would subtract. So 27 minus 24 leaves me with 3. And then we're going to drop down this 4. And then we're going to go 4 into 34. So I know 4 times 9 is 36. This would need to be 4 times 8. 4 times 8 would give me 32. And we're going to stop there. After we subtract, we'll get a remainder of 2. So you put remainder 2. I'm going to show you another one. So this one down here, 194 divided by 7. So 7 cannot go into 1. I'm going to try to skip the step on this one to see if you can follow along. So I'm skipping 7 into 1. I'm going 7 into 19. So I know 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 3 is 21. 3 would be too much. I need to do 2. 7 times 2 is 14. Then I subtract those two numbers, 19 minus 14. 19 minus 14 is going to give me 5. And then I'm going to drop down the next number, which will be a 4. So now I know 7 times 9 is 63, 7 times 8 is 56, 7 times 7 is 49. So then do some subtraction here. I would need to borrow because 4 is smaller than 9. So I'll borrow from the 5, change that to a 4, and change this to 14. 14 minus 9 gives me 5, and 4 minus 4 gives me 0. So this would be remainder of 5. Some of them have remainders, some of them do not. I'll do one more. So I'm going to do this one here, 4 into 356. So 4 cannot go into 3, so I'm going to go 4 into 35. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. So I'm going to do 8 for this one. So 4 times 8 is 32. Subtract those two numbers. I get a remainder of 3. And then I'm going to drop down that 6. And I know 4 times 9 would give me 36 exactly. So I'd put 36 here, and I'd have no remainder. So that would be my final answer.